Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set reminders to get notified about news in terms of your trips or about your related trips on the Thai Airways application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the More button down below in the right side corner. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and tap on Settings. After that, you should scroll down again to the Notifications section, and here you can find this Reminders. Get reminders related to your trip feature that you can turn on by simply tapping on this button in the right side of the screen, and then it will be turned on. So when you have, or there is some kind of news about your trip or reminders about the trip or a flight that you have booked via the Thai Airways application, you will get notifications. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.